like I said, I can't thank the clinic. It's changed my life, and to be honest with you, I'm really looking forward to my future and just being a dad with my kids, and you can't say enough.
Okay, I'm here with a patient who's visiting us from Canada, and he has a problem in his neck, in his spinal region, with a herniated disc pushing on the spinal cord and nerve. And when did you start noticing you had a problem?
About a year ago.
Okay, what happened a year ago?
I just started feeling off, just a little bit of weakness. When I was in the shower, soaping my hair, I would kind of lean to the right, to the left, and I just wasn't feeling myself.
Feeling a little off balance?
A little off balance, and just 100%. I'm a pretty active guy and a busy bee, and I just wasn't feeling myself. I just was feeling off.
And you told me you have a special bond with your 7-year-old son.
Yeah, I do.
All right, good.
My little son, Brody, he's a mini me, and I'm here not only for myself, but for my family, and I just want to get back to being a dad. That's it.
We're going to help you do that. All right. We'll see you tomorrow for your surgery. Okay, we just got out of surgery. We did a Deuk laser disc repair on his neck. He had a herniated disc at 5/6, pushing on the spinal cord and nerves. And you just got out about 30-40 minutes ago. Where are you headed now?
Out of the hotel to watch a movie.
All right, going to the hotel to watch a movie. And we'll see you back in the morning, okay?
Definitely.
Take it easy. No hockey today.
Appreciate it, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're
buddy.
welcome. My pleasure.
I reached out to a couple orthopedics. I played pro hockey in the States for a lot of years, and I reached out to a couple of medical people that I knew that worked with my hockey teams, and the fingers all pointed here to Florida to come to see Dr. Deuk, and I reached out to them. It's been awesome from start to finish with every person in the facility, from human resources to the star here, Dr. Deuk. It's been a great experience, to be honest with you.
Thank you. And I consider the real star to be my patients, and that's why we gave him a star on his neck. You can see how small the incision is, only 4 millimeters. Your surgery was last night. You're here this morning, and you're getting ready to head back to Canada tomorrow, I heard.
Yeah, we fly out tomorrow. Feeling good. Being positive about my future, and doing some therapy and working hard to get back to my regular self.
Yeah, check out his surgery. It was really good. There was a huge herniation just crushing the spinal cord. At the end of the surgery, you could actually see the spinal cord was like indented from that herniation pushing on it. And it was actually a herniation that went through the posterior longitudinal ligament, sitting on top of the dura. And you can see the dura just looked wrong because the inflammation created on the dura by the herniation itself. So it was a very successful surgery, and he's already noticed some improvement with his coordination, and his legs are working a little better. So we're real happy about that. I think it's just going to continue to get better.
And I'm excited for that. And like I said, I can't thank the clinic. It's changed my life, and to be honest with you, I'm really looking forward to my future and just being a dad with my kids, and you can't say enough. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, look for his son Brody, who's a BMX star. So I'm looking forward to checking out his Instagram page.
Perfect, thank you. And good luck with your son too.
Thank you so much.